Okay, friends, so we are starting with the second topic, and that is your find and replace. So I request everybody to open a file, find and replace. I open the file. If it asks you for enabling the editing, so you can click on this yellow color bar where you have this button and say enable editing. Lovely. And you have this data, and in this data, friends, you wanted to do some changes. Means there is one word which has been spelled wrong, and you wanted to correct it. So for example, over here you have DEER. Now this word is wrong, it should be DEAR. But let's say not one place. If it is on one place, you can just say DEAR and your work is done. You need not use find and replace. But let's say this same word, just giving you the example, and it is repeating over here also. It is here also, and it is repeating somewhere here also. Now you want wherever it is written DEER, you want it to replace. So the shortcut for that is Control H. I know that Control F is for find, right? You go and you say find. You can even say Control H, which directly takes you to the replace. So I say Control H, and it will open this screen for you. Means you are not going to the find directly, you are going to replace area. Okay, find what? And I say find what? DEER, and replace with DEAR. When you go into detail, you get more options. Like I can click on this more button, and here are many different options. Like find whole word only. Like in a word, you want DEER should be the full word, not, you don't want wherever it is written DEER and above, before and after that there is some another character also it should search. I want exact match, so I can take find whole words only. There is a concept of use wildcard where we put star and question mark. If time permits, I will show you that also. And here is the option search all. Means the place where you have put the cursor, from there it should search up also, down also, then you select all. Or you have put the cursor over here, let's say in a 7th line, and from there it should search all the down. Above DER you don't want it to change, then you can do the search setting up and down. Mostly you will put all, and then you will just click on the option replace all. If you say replace, it will do one change and then will ask you to do for the others. If you want for all, you just say replace all, khalas, all done. We made 3 replacement, and I say okay, and your work is done. Got it? Simple. So Control H is the shortcut for doing replace. Again, I say Control H, find what? So I say, for example, over here, THERE, there, THEIR I need. If you want to use here also shortcut, not a mouse, you can say Alt A. Alt A, it's like replace all. So I say Alt A, and your work is done. So give it a try quickly. It's a simple option. Do it in 1 minute. Reply me done in the chat box, and then we move to the next option. Thank you.